What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Mode. Today we're going to take a look at how to remove the tailgate from a Ford F250. It's going to be a 2012 F250 in the video, but it will be the same on several different years. So the first thing we need to do is unhook the electronics for the backup camera, and I believe it runs the rear lock as well. And those are going to be located up underneath the vehicle, about right in here. So we'll take a look at that in the next shot. Okay, so we're going to be looking just above the spare tire, slightly on the passenger side. And this is the connector we're going to be unhooking right here. Now, there's this tab right here that you need to press that my thumb's on, but I found it pretty difficult to be pressing. So what I found is a little bit easier. Let's see if I can get a little better shot of it. What I found is a little bit easier if you take a flathead screwdriver and just use it, just press it. So you're gonna press that tab down, you kind of heard it click there, and then it'll unpull like that and unclip. And you see this orange cap right here? This is so you can go ahead and throw it on this, piece here, just to keep the dirt and stuff out of it. So we'll throw that cap on there. And now the tailgate's ready to come off. So now we can put the tailgate down, and we're gonna remove the cables that are on the sides. I'm gonna have someone help me pull the tailgate off, but what I like to do to get these cables off is if you pick up on the tailgate and just rest it on your leg or your hip, it'll take the pressure off these cables. Then what we're gonna do is pick up on that tab, and then the whole thing will slide up and off like that. Come over to this side, do the same thing. Pick up on this tab, and the whole thing slides up and off like that. And now the tailgate's ready to come off. And I'm gonna have someone help me do this. I would recommend having some help, as with these built-in steps, these tailgates are pretty heavy. So the right side, or the passenger side, is gonna come off first. You want it at about a 45-degree angle, and then you're gonna pull straight back, like that. Now for the left side, what we're gonna need is this almost closed. And then we'll pull straight off to the right, like that. And now this is free, so to put it on, we're gonna reverse everything we just did. You need to hook the left side up first, straight on like that. And then come over here, and we need to put it at a 45-degree angle to line this notch up with this piece right here, about like this. That'll sit on there like that. Now we'll hook up these cables, like that. Pull down. And then the last thing we need to do, which I'm not going to show you, is to crawl under and reattach our electronics. So that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.